Their whole company was based around sustainability and reclaiming wood from urban areas that was otherwise set to be incinerated or thrown in a garbage somewhere.
We embarked on the challenge of designing a more sustainable table, a table that could be evaluated as being authentically sustainable.
Sustainability is very tough. I think a lot of products are what we call greenwashed, where they will claim that it is using a recycled plastic or some material, or it's using bamboo. People always assume that bamboo is really good. The issue with products like bamboo is that we're clearing out rainforests to make bamboo farms. So sustainability is going to play a bigger and bigger part or role in our lives as we go along, and we need to understand environmental design and be able to provide our clients with that.
Our approach is much more analytical. It's creative, but it's also analytical. Let's take a look at the materials that it's being made out of. Let's look at how it's being manufactured. Let's look at where it's being manufactured. Let's look at how it's being packaged, how it's being shipped, where it's being shipped, and then, afterwards, what's its end of life? Is it able to be disassembled? Is it able to be recycled? Is it refurbished? Is it not refurbished? Like, what's the plan for this thing after it's extended its usefulness to the consumer?
We had the opportunity to design a table for them utilizing all local fallen wood from the Heartland area, so in the Chicago, ended up being the Chicago area. And with us being located in St. Louis, it all kind of stayed in the Heartland, which is where the table got its name, the Heartland table.
Our goal was to use as little material as possible. So we did that in a number of ways. We obviously did that by minimizing the amount of bracing needed for the table. I think we'd call it kind of an X brace.
That was able to reduce the amount of wood that we needed to produce the product.
So it reduced the linear inches of board stock material required to support the wood top. The metal egg version reduced the carbon footprint over like standard manufacturing methods by 21%.
And the idea being adding structural integrity with as minimal amount of material as we need.
So the Heartland table was a very collaborative project.
Our goal was to try to have this table be as modern and timeless as possible and satisfy the needs of any corporate or individual out there. A very cool table. Everyone is unique. Every top is different simply because no lumber that is found is the same.
Beyond the successes the client has had, this piece is like their showcase piece. We were validated by the Industrial Design Excellence Award, Core 77 Design Award. We received some recognition, and then the A Design Award as well. So it was cool getting some awards.